Alright, with this video we're going to take a look at problem 2-4. It's going to be on 8.5 by 11 and a scale of 1 to 1. Let's start with the template here. Okay, and moving to the model space, let me turn off the grid. And the first thing we want to do is set up some reference lines. So let's switch to centerline layer. Start with construction line, the option H for horizontal. Just put that anywhere there in my screen. And then now we'll just set up the two vertical construction lines. Again, XL, V for vertical. Just start at one side. And then I'll use offset at 450. And there's the beginning. Now the next thing we want to do here is set up our concentric circles and then our tangent arcs. So let's switch layers. On the object layer, we'll start from left to right. We've got a diameter of 1, so we'll use this intersection here. D for diameter, set that to 1. Then we have a radius of 1. Okay, on the other side here we've got a diameter of 150, and then we've got a radius of 175. Alright, now to do the tangent arcs here, okay, we could do this with a circle and then come back and trim, which seems to be one of the easiest ways to do that. So if I use the circle, tangent, radius option, just want to make sure I start on this quadrant here for 1 point and then finish on this side for the second point, and then we could input the radius, which is 6, and there's our circle. Now using trim, I'll select the two outer circles as cutting edges, hit enter, and then cut away the excess here. Now also, for this other arc tangent here, we got a radius of 2. So once again, we'll use the same tangent radius option of the circle command. We'll use this quadrant here and this quadrant here and input our radius of 2. And once again, use trim, selecting both outer circles there, hit enter, and then we could trim away this part right here. Now just for reference, we have a little arc that comes out here. Okay, one way that we could use our existing geometry is just simply create a line some distance away and make sure it's going to intersect when we extend that arc. So if I use this as the boundary edge, enter, and then extend that arc, now I can use break or BR and pick a point and then the breaking point. Now what we could do is remove this previous line, and then we could place this little arc segment on either the center or the hidden line layer there, and we'll use that for reference.